Hi, I am Shahbaz. I am a data engineer having 6+ years of experience. So this is the dashboard which I have developed. So I called it as a RaceIQ post analysis dashboard, which will help the racers, users, or the team to analyze how a driver has performed. So here you can select the driver on the left hand side. So let's select idle any of the driver, and we have multiple features added. So like sector performance, pit stop detection, predicted versus actual. So what was the prediction, what was the actual uh, for each lap, and then anomaly detection if we have any, then driver comparison. So here you can select multiple drivers and then you can see the comparison. So let me select one more. So likewise, and then here you see blue, light blue, and red. So it shows how they are performing through lap to lap. And basically all this data is being trained by using machine learning models, and then the export data where you can do the export part. You can export any drivers data, and also you can export comparison. So basically you can compare drivers, and then you can export the result of those data asset as well. So let me jump to the code. So in the code, you can see we have four functionality: data ingestion, data pre-processing, modeling, and loading the data for the dashboard. So all these things is been developed in Python. I've used pandas, and then for modeling, I've used scikit-learn, and then for regression module. So basically these things I have used, and this is the modules projects overview. So basically this is the main function. Within main I have imported all my modules which I have developed: data ingestion, pre-processing, and modeling. So you can find it here. So data ingestion, modeling, and pre-processing. And for dashboard also I have created one module, and this dashboard I'm running it through my command line prompt. So here you can see it. So I have just run it for a few seconds before to demo this project. So this is the project running on my local, and now I'll show you the architecture that I have developed. So yeah, and these are the data sets I have used. So season 2024, I have all the used Toyota GR Cup. I've used all the data sets from these practice sessions, qualifying, and race one. And then this is my architecture. So this is my base architecture having 5 steps: source data, pre-processing, data modeling, target data, and then the dashboard which I was showing. So all these things happening within the code. And then I have also created one AWS architecture. Basically I want to shift this to a scale up. If anyone wants to scale up the project, they can use this architecture where I've used known AWS services. And then also we can include more events and features to this dashboard, or we can also go check, like we can also process real time run, and then we can also basically build pre-analysis dashboard using the same architecture, where you can have basically all the data sets sitting in S3 bucket using SageMaker for data modeling and Glue to do processing and transformations. So yeah, that's all about the project. Hope you liked it, and then love to hear the feedback.